Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Sourav Ganguly. Sourav Ganguly is a famous cricket player from India. He was born on July 8, 1972 in Kolkata. People call him Dada, which means elder brother in Bengali. Sourav was known for his excellent batting and leadership skills. He became the captain of the Indian cricket team in 2000. Under his captaincy, India won many important matches. Sourav was especially good at playing against fast bowlers. He retired from international cricket in 2008. After retiring, he became the president of the Board of Control for Cricket in India, (BCCI). Sourav Ganguly is admired for his contributions to Indian cricket and inspiring young players. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.